empowering? How powerful you felt?
I think when we started the session, we started with what is the full form of flow. And financial literacy, oh no, that was how we started. And at the end, everyone was like, financial literacy, oh yes. So that's how I think sums up the whole session. I'm very happy that everyone was so enthusiastic. Everyone was like, wanting to answer. They had so many questions. In fact, I felt bad that I was not able to take all the questions. But I mean, it's always such a nice thing that women are also feeling that yes, they should also be taking charge of finances. And the main thing that I think I gave in the session, I told in the session is that there are two things: ability to learn and willingness to learn. Everyone has the ability, and I'm sure everyone will now show willingness to learn more and more, and they will go 1, 2, 3 steps, whatever they can, but they will move ahead in this field of finance.
The session says money matters, but mindset matters more. How do
Yeah.
you describe it?
I think mindset is again same point, the one that I told you right now. Mindset is something which either gives in more positivity or more negativity to you. If you are able to go from that oh no to oh yes, that mindset will automatically change. And it's not about one day motivation. I can be here for one day out of 1 year. It's finally up to them if they can sustain it for the next 364 days. If they can, that's how they'll be able to truly change their mindset.
And who has been your inspiration to reach here?
My husband, we met in college. Yeah, he definitely has been an inspiration. My brother has been an inspiration in this journey. Yeah, I mean, and I also keep on learning from so many people. Like I told you, many of my subscribers keep on sharing their stories with me. They keep inspiring me. So I think it's not a single person per se, but a lot of people who have inspired me throughout.
Finally, how to become rich?
Consistency, that beats motivation. Motivation is one day, consistency is that the same thing again, right? Balance 364 days is extremely important. I had read about this, that if someone wants to lose weight, it's not about how much hours you spend at the gym. It's about what you eat for the rest 23 hours. 1 hour is at the gym, what about rest 23? That determines that. That's exactly what is about finance also. It's not about that one investing decision or one spending decision. It's about what else do you do that matters. That will ultimately make you rich.